For over 25 years, a consulting organization has been providing business consultation, accounting, bookkeeping, and tax services to help their network of 150,000 truck drivers operate their businesses successfully. The company relied on legacy technology, with users experiencing inconsistencies across mobile and web apps that reduced engagement and retention. What's more, the fragmented systems restricted the breadth of services, and large amounts of data stored in Salesforce posed compliance and space risks. The organization set out to modernize its tech stack and deliver an elevated user experience with the help of LaunchPad Lab. Delivering a cohesive and comprehensive user experience on web and mobile was critical to success. Plus, the data needed to be compliant and integrate into Salesforce seamlessly. Using Heroku would not only help speed up development, it would allow the application to run entirely on the cloud. And Ionic would simplify the UX design and offer a unified codebase across platforms. Now, users can quickly upload receipts while on the road, keeping their finances organized and in one location. P&L statements provide a snapshot for users to review their progress and take actionable steps to ensure finances are on track. Quarterly tax reports are easily accessible on any device. Users can even track per diem time with a monthly calendar to maximize their unique tax benefits. The new application is available on desktop and mobile with features that offer a modern user experience for hundreds of thousands of business owners, no matter where they are. The updates have not only enhanced the technology and reduced technical debt risks, but have also improved the user experience, lowered operational costs, and boosted the company's bottom line and ROI.